When we get married or get into relationships, we get comfortable and neglect ourselves, because we're home and we expect our man to accept us and take us the way we are, because that's the real you, right? Not anymore. If you do not show your man that you love yourself enough to take care of yourself and keep taking care of yourself, how's he going to love you and keep loving you? The things that made him attracted to you, make sure that you do not slack on them. If anything, you should do more than that now that you have him. So I'd like to give a quick disclaimer. This video is nothing about a guy and how to get a guy or how to keep a guy. This video is not about that. This video is about you and how to love yourself when you have a man and even when you don't have a man. This video is basically about you and how to love yourself more. So firstly, we need to do pedicure and manicure. Thankfully, this can be done at home. There are local ways you can do pedicure and manicure without having to go to a salon. But if you do not have time for all of that stress, please just go to the salon, okay? Fix your nails. I just took mine off, but see how cute, how clean they are. That's how yours should be. Manicure doesn't have to be about fixing nails, painting it. Let it just be clean. And then your toenails as well. You don't have to fix it or paint it. Let it just be clean, okay? And then your under feet as well. Make sure they are not looking cracky or peeled or not taken care of. That's why you need a pedicure. But if you cannot go to a salon, you can just get a foot scrub, okay? And scrub every day while you're having your bath. That place is going to feel soft. You have to make sure your under feet is always moisturized. When we apply lotions, some lotions don't have enough moisture, right? So we need to go in with an oil just so that place isn't white. When we wear our shoes and we go out, maybe we step out, you're just going to see that your under feet look crusty. That's not ladylike, sis. Make sure you watch out for that. Before you leave the house, go back, double check, okay? So you don't leave the house with your under feet looking crusty. Secondly is your skincare. I know skincare is expensive, but they are really affordable skincare products. You have to invest in skincare. Trust me. Sunscreen, facial wash, all those serums, you don't need all of them. Just get you something that will let your skin remain youthful. I know some people don't break out, they don't have rashes, they don't have dark spots, they have a good skin. That's great, but you need to keep it great, okay? With your sunscreen, do not play with your sunscreen. Make sure you invest in skincare products. Keep you looking young and youthful and not stressed, okay? We all know everybody is going through a lot all around the world. Don't look like it. Sis, you can look better than your problems, okay? Next is your deodorant. Even at night when you're going to bed, you still need to scent like a caramel looking piece of pie, okay? Is there a caramel piece of pie? Anyways, you still need to scent amazing for your own self, okay? So you're going to bed, maybe you don't want all the strong scent, then that's okay, that's okay. We have body mist. Body mist is an incredible scent purchase that you need. These are the little things that you can do to romanticize your life. Give yourself that self-love, appreciate yourself, enjoy your own scent, enjoy yourself, enjoy your company. Next is your hair care. Okay, so you're carrying wig, no problem. How is the weave under your wig? How is your hair? How does it look? Does it look unkempt? Is it smelling? I think the most you can go with your braids underneath your wig is 2 weeks. I think so. But if by any means your hair still scents nice and amazing, make sure you get it moisturized. You wash your hair often as possible. No dandruffs. How can you make sure there are no dandruffs? By getting it moisturized, okay? Get a good leave-in conditioner, a good hair oil, and get that scalp looking really attractive, neat and shiny and pure and beautiful, okay? All of those just elevate your look at home. Even you're going to be happy and you love yourself when you do these steps. Now the next is oral care. So you brush your teeth day and night, all of that, good. But do you use floss? Do you use tongue scraper? These are very helpful. Most people neglect it, but yeah, that's why you have me. With your floss, you pick out things that are left in there. Yeah, trust me. You might have holes that beef gets stuck in, food gets stuck in, and then they just hide there. Do you think your toothbrush is going to get in all those areas, loopholes? No, it won't do that for you. That's why you need a floss, okay? Tongue scraper as well. once in a while. You don't have to do it daily, but you should, but you don't have to do it daily. You can just do it maybe 2 times in a week. Make sure you scrape your tongue. The toothbrush is not multi-purpose. Of course, it can get your teeth clean. Will it maintain your oral hygiene? No, it's not going to do all of that. You need all of this for different purposes. So make sure you purchase them and use them. The next is your lip balm. Why are you moving around with crusty lips? As a woman, but yeah, as a woman, your lips always look juicy and plumpy. Now the next is for you to shave as often as possible. Waxing is best. I've heard of it. We're definitely going to try waxing soon, but waxing is best. But if you cannot wax now, you can use shaving stick, shaving cream, whichever works perfectly for you. When you have no hairs there, you sweat less. When you have no hairs there, you are more comfortable and you're not itching anywhere, okay? So keep yourself clean, sis. Next way to show yourself some self-love is by getting nice nightwears. Stop sleeping with a shirt, naked. No, get you something really nice to roll on your bedding. Right? And that's why nightwear mostly have all those silky materials, because you just feel so good sleeping like a baby in that material, okay? So invest in a good nightwear. The next thing a lot of people neglect is scrubbing your body. Okay, you moisturize, that's great, but do you exfoliate? How can you keep applying a lot of lotion, body oil, and you do not exfoliate? Do you think that your shower gel or your sponge is going to do all that job? Hell no. You need a body scrub, okay? That's how to get your skin looking really smooth and shiny. That way, when you apply your lotion, the lotion actually works. Yeah, that's it. Maybe it's not time to change your lotion. Maybe you just need to scrub. If you can't get a body scrub, I promise you, you can just use honey and sugar, those two combos. The next is spending time with your family and your friends. Those people help you mentally and even emotionally. Spend time with them as much as you can. Discuss, laugh a little, go out and have so much fun with them. Those people are your support system, and whatever it is, they help love on you without conditions. What more do you need? The last tip is for you to spend time with your own self. Just enjoying your company, reading a book, doing something that is fun, watching a movie. Enjoy your own company. These are a few steps that you can show yourself love and pamper yourself. I promise you, you're going to feel relaxed. You're going to have this positive vibe around you because you take care of yourself, because you love on yourself. I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you share, leave a comment as well. Turn on your notification bell so you are the first to know when I post a video. What more? Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.